Hi. Today we're going to tell you about ad scheduling in Google Ads, what is it and how to set it up. If you're looking for ways to boost the effectiveness and results of your ads, you can opt to use ad scheduling. To learn more about it and how to set it up, use this video as your guide. Let's get started. What is ad scheduling? Ad scheduling is a time-based targeting option in Google Ads that lets you choose a specific time when you want your ads to appear. You can use it to your campaigns to set bid adjustments to increase or decrease your bids for several days and times, or specify certain hours or days when you like to show your ads. How does ad scheduling work? Ad scheduling lets you set times of the day and days of the week when you want to show your ads. It runs weekly, which means you cannot set weeks of the month or months of the year. You can use it to prevent your ads from showing completely outside of the times you set. If you want to make them appear outside of these times, you can still apply bid adjustments to increase your bids during your chosen times automatically. How do I set up ad scheduling? Create an ad schedule by first logging into your Google Ads account. Click on Ad Schedule, then select a campaign you want to create an ad schedule for. All ads are set to show on all days, but you can edit these settings. You can also set multiple schedules throughout the day by picking the same day more than once, then choosing the times you want your ads to show. In the world of business, especially in the digital world, timing can be everything. To ensure your ads are shown at the time of day when your target audience is active online, you can use ad scheduling in Google Ads. All you have to do is remember the information in this guide. When you need further assistance in setting it up, you can always reach out to experienced Google Ads experts like us. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.